Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail air. This innovative technique elevates your drinks with a delicate, flavorful foam, enhancing both aroma and presentation. We will cover the simple ingredients, like lecithin, which is crucial for creating stable bubbles, and the basic equipment you will need. You will learn how to transform ordinary liquids into an ethereal topping, adding a touch of molecular gastronomy to your home bar. Get ready to impress your guests with this easy guide. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You will need approximately 1 gram of lecithin, which acts as an emulsifier, and about 100 milliliters of your desired liquid. This could be juice, a spirit, or even a flavored syrup. For equipment, an immersion blender is crucial for whipping air into the mixture. A wide, shallow bowl will provide the ideal surface area for blending, ensuring maximum air incorporation. A fine mesh sieve will also be helpful for a smooth finish. Now, let's craft the perfect cocktail air. Pour your chosen liquid and the 1 gram of lecithin into the wide, shallow bowl. Submerge the immersion blender and begin blending at a 45-degree angle, ensuring the blender head is partially exposed to the air. This technique incorporates air into the liquid, creating a light foam. Continue blending for about 30 to 60 seconds until a stable layer of foam forms on the surface. Allow the foam to settle for approximately 30 seconds. Finally, it's time to serve your exquisite cocktail air. Using a spoon, gently scoop the delicate foam from the surface of your mixture and carefully place it atop your prepared cocktail. The air should sit lightly on the drink, adding a beautiful visual and aromatic element. For the best texture and stability, it is recommended to serve the cocktail immediately after adding the air. Feel free to experiment with various liquids and flavor combinations to create truly unique and memorable drink experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.